Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to quickly restore deleted events in Google Calendar. If an important event is accidentally removed, there is no need to worry. We will walk you through the simple steps to get it back. On your Google Calendar, if you have accidentally deleted an event and want to restore it right away, here is what to do. Simply click the settings icon in the upper right corner to open the settings menu. Once you are there, click the trash. Here, you will see all the events that have been deleted. You can click on the event and then choose to restore it or delete it forever. To restore the event, just click Restore, and it will appear back on your Google Calendar. That is how we can quickly restore deleted events in Google Calendar. With these simple steps, we can recover our schedule and stay on track.